Hey guys! こんにちは。阿部野です。I got a new camera, so I took some photos in a town so we can learn Japanese words and phrases with real pictures. Yeah, this is a first one. So I think I took a good photo, so Anyway, let's do it. 今日も頑張りましょう。How do you say this in Japanese? So this one. This really tall building. Yeah, actually it's Abeno Haruka's. So, today we are gonna learn is how you say building in Japanese. Building is called 建物 in Japanese. 建物 So kanji is here. 建物 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 But this is a commercial building, like multi-story buildings. And it's like this and this. This one will be hotel. It's like here. And this one is kind of shopping mall, but it's like multi-story buildings, multi-floor buildings. So these are called ビル. ビル is multi-floor building. ビル 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 But apartment building is not ビル So apartment building is called mansion. Mansion. It's different. This is the same building. Here. これはビルです。But these kind of buildings are mansion. I guess. これらはマンションです。でも、これはビルです。And this is the highest building in Japan. これは日本で一番高いビルです。これは日本で一番高いビルです。これは日本で一番高いビルです。So actually, Abeno Haruka's is the highest building in Japan. It's 300 meters high. So this is the highest building in Japan, actually. これは日本で一番高いビルです。So we learned about ビル。If you have any questions, please leave a comment. And I'll appreciate if you like this video or this video helps you. Anyway, see you in next video. ご視聴ありがとうございました。また次の動画でお会いしましょう。またね。バイバイ。